Okay fellas, hi, welcome back to my videos, and let's get to some serious batteries here. So flex 8 amps, 18 volts, and only one light is blinking, so it shows empty. It's low voltage, so charger not accepted. Let's open it and check what can be bad here. We can expect some cells there. Okay. And can we lift it nicely? Yep. Okay. We can see the voltage tracking of the cells. We have nice powerful connections here. Of course we have some dots. Okay, let's take our multimeter and let's check. So we have the 14.4 here, 14.4 here, so here, and if we have nothing here, we have 3.3, 3.35, 3.35. Okay, so we have that in these two cells. Let's check what type of cells. It's a 21700, I think. And what I can say more, basically we need to replace them. And a spot welder is really needed for this one. Okay, what I can try to do now, I can try to measure the voltage of the cells. Okay, this one is that and this one is that, so they are completely needed to be replaced. Now let's check if it will be easy or not to replace them. Okay, they are not look to be spot welded really tight, but I think that's good enough. The Flex is really good manufacturer of the power tools, and I think they did a great job here. Okay, so the easiest way probably is to cut this one, and then we will replace the strips. And probably yes, the easiest way. Let's try to cut it. Okay, do we have simple nickel? Yeah, it seems that we have the simple nickel, not copper or something here. Okay, and now we need to take out this side. Maybe. Okay, so basically this one is now ruined, and I can just try to cut it, probably. Okay. Okay, so what we have here, we have the cells, they are holded here on the corner, or we have this side, it holded here, and basically it's not a big difference what to cut, this one or this one. But if I will cut this one, I think it will be safer because it's a negative side. Okay, so we have spot welded the new cells, and what I can say more, now we need to assemble it. The one light goes up. Have not mounted it correctly. Okay, that's all. Now we need to charge it, test the capacity, and give it to the customer back. Thank you for watching. Bye.